What if you could build an online business without being a tech expert or sales pro? Hi, I'm Jill Bender. I'm an affiliate marketer. What that means is I promote other people's products that I didn't have to create. I don't have to sell. I don't have to handle the customer service or returns with. I generally promote digital high-ticket products. Today, I want to do a review on the Ultimate Freedom Accelerator. This also used to be called the 7-Figure Accelerator. This is Philip Johansen's mentorship. This video is long overdue. Full caveat right now, I have been one of Philip's affiliates since the beginning of when he started the program in the summer of 2022. And I can tell you back then, when I paid him, I gave him $2,000 when I signed up, and then an additional $2,000 for some upsell, but he handed me half of a training program. He hasn't finished it, of course, since then, but when I started, that's how long ago it was. He hadn't even completed the sales training. It didn't matter, because in the first week that I started using the methods that I was taught in this mentorship, I took my TikTok account that had around 1,000 followers, and within the first 7 days of implementing the strategies that I learned there, I grew that account to almost 50,000 followers. Within a week's time, 50,000 followers. Yes, this video is a review video, but it's coming from somebody who is in the mentorship. And I've been out of the mentorship and back into the mentorship over time. So I have real experience here. I am an expert in this topic. What is the Ultimate Freedom Accelerator? This is Philip Johansen's mentorship on how to leverage social media to promote a high-ticket product and make big dollars, big commissions. So we're talking $1,000 per sale. Second best thing about this mentorship is that it's 90% done for you. He will build your website and set up that automation, and he will give you emails that are handcrafted for your audience, and they'll go out daily for you. It's gonna say it's from you. It's gonna have your special unique link in there, and that'll all be done for you. While that's being set up, you get to knock out the training modules that are teaching you how to promote products and use social media and leverage that free traffic that you're gonna get from Instagram or TikTok, or right now we're on YouTube. There's two things I hear often about a mentorship like this. Oh, we're just gonna buy this and promote the same thing. We're just trying to get people to get in here. That is not true. You can look at it that way if you want, but that's not your winning attitude. I believe when you promote something, you need to have your full heart into it. You have to be backing up whatever it is. If you're promoting this little remote, you have to believe this is the best remote that ever existed. And that is how you're going to sell this. If you don't believe in this remote, it's going to come across clear as day, and nobody's going to buy the remote from you. This goes the same thing with digital products. If you believe in Philip's program, which I have believed in now for 3 years, it's been what I promote because I love this program. I do believe with all my heart that is beginner friendly. It will get you up and running the fastest out of anything out there. You can actually start doing everything within the same week that you make the purchase of this program. It has more support than any program out there. There are several live calls during the week. You're even set up with your own personal customer service type person that can help you if you get stuck. Third best thing about this mentorship are these live calls. Most people fail with their online business because they can't hold that motivation. We get motivated by the excitement of what we can do when we're making all this money. We get excited. I get to take my kid to Disneyland. Whatever your reasoning is, it's a strong reason. And when you start watching things like this, you get, oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm gonna make all this money and I'm gonna do all these cool things with it. But then reality kicks in. You're like, oh my God, I actually have to work. I have to show up every day, and people lose that excitement. So when you jump on a live call with Mr. Philip, you get that excitement every time. It's there because he's living that incredible life that we're dreaming of living. And when you're surrounded by that kind of energy, it just makes you want to show up and do more and do more, and it holds on to your why. It's the best thing ever. And that kind of support is why this mentorship is so successful. His success story rate is incredibly high. I have been in many different programs, and I have seen, usually it's the same top, 8 people that are just making all the money, and you're like, when's it my turn? And then maybe you get one sale. You're like, yeah, but you don't become part of the 8. You just stay there. You made one sale. It didn't take off like, those other 8 people. His mentorship has created 6-figure earners, so many of them, including me, It has completely changed my life. And here's the other reason that this is so good for beginners when they have never had an online business, or again, if you were struggling with your online business to make any kind of traction with it, this will change the course of your life. Every month of 2023, I was bringing between $15,000 to $30,000 per month take home, like my money coming to my pocket, to my bank account. I went on amazing trips, including the Dubai trip, including Disneyland with my son. I took all kinds of little trips in between. I bought a brand new Bronco. Life has changed tremendously since signing up and joining Philip's Ultimate Freedom Accelerator, and I strongly recommend you check it out. Again, the link is down in my caption. If you have any comments on this, friendly comments, please put them down in the comment section below. I love to hear from people. And remember to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you so much again for watching.